Top 10. Designed to handle dives as well as daily activities, offers comfortable wear on your wrist and allow cords movement. Water resistant depth is 200 meters. Top 9. Black rubber strap, buckle clasp, stainless steel bezel and case, sapphire crystal watch. Top 8. This Swiss-made watch features a day and date calendar and a low quartz movement. Case diameter 42 millimeters. Scratch resistant watch. Top 7. Swiss-made 45 millimeters case diameter. Black dial and black rubber strap. Swiss-Quartz movement. Case diameter 45 millimeters. Water resistant depth is 200 meters. Top 6. Dark grey dial bracelet, black ice, stainless steel with triple coated anti-reflective sapphire crystal, Swiss-Quartz movement. Case diameter 42 millimeters. Water resistant to 50 meters. Suitable for short period of recreational swimming. Top 5. White dial with date window, 43 millimeters plastic case, Swiss-Quartz movement with analog display. Top 4. 43 millimeters case diameter, date end of life indicator, scratch resistant, triple coated anti-reflective sapphire crystal, screwed on crown, removable black protection, excludes battery life. Top 3. Silver tone stainless steel case with a brown leather band, quartz movement, 100 meters water resistance, unidirectional rotating bezel, solid case back, tank claws. Top 2. Silver tone stainless steel case with a silver tone stainless steel band, quartz movement, 100 meters water resistance, fixed bezel, scratch resistant sapphire crystal, solid case back, fold over with push button release clasp, case size 42 millimeters, atom weight 5.43 ounces. Top 1. Display tab analog, case material stainless steel, case diameter 28 millimeters, band material stainless steel, band color silver, dial color white, movement Swiss-Quartz, water resistant depth is 100 meters,